and how exactly I'm going to be allocating my coins, my 1 billion coins, into the different things in Shiba Swap, whether that's going to be staking, digging, or whatever. I have talked about this a little bit in my other video where I explained Shiba Inu or Shiba Swap and talked about all the features of it and how to go about doing everything. However, that video didn't get very many views, so I'm probably going to be doing another video like that because I think it did not touch enough people. So I'm going to go through and break down Shiba Swap as a whole in another video, but today we're going to be focusing on what I'm doing with 1 billion Shiba Inu. With that being said, make sure you stick through to the end of the video because we will be talking about a lot of things that are very, very important as far as the future and what I'm doing and what you may be doing with your coins. So make sure you watch to the end because this is a very, very, very important video. And if you learned something new today, please smash that like button. And if you have not already joined the family, go down and smash that subscribe button and turn on post notifications so you never miss an upload from yours truly. So for my real supporters, you guys will have seen this chart before, which is where I was talking about I wanted to keep about 15% liquidity. I planned on digging about 30% of my tokens, and now I said that I was going, and then I was saying that I was going to be staking 55% of my portfolio, or what I have in total of my Shiba Inu tokens. However, that has changed quite a bit, and I think that you guys will like this a little bit better, and I will explain why I changed it and why it was better for me, and it may be better for you to look at things how I'm looking at it. Remember guys, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not me telling you guys what to do or advising you guys what to do with your coins. This is just what I'm doing, and it may be a good thing for you to do with your coins. I don't know, it may be something that you got to do, but you have to do your own due diligence and figure out if this system or what my plan is good for you or not. So I'm actually going to change this to what actually has happened, right? So what actually ended up happening was I ended up digging nothing. So digging is pretty much off the table, and my liquidity is a little bit bigger than that. We're sitting at around 25% liquidity, somewhere around there, and we have staked about 75% of our coins. So I have about 700 million coins staked in Shiba Swap, and I'm going to be showing you guys that right now. So we are over here on Shiba Swap right now, and if I go to the stake tokens slide, you can see that I have actually just under 700 million coins staked. And actually right now, I'm going to do a quick example stake right now, just to get us to those numbers that I was actually talking about. So if we were to stake another 100 million, 100, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, another 100 million coins, this is what it would look like. And this is how you guys can stake your own coins. So for example, we click on stake, it will go to my MetaMask. I have some Ethereum on my MetaMask so that I can pay for these gas fees. You guys will have to make sure that whatever you're using, whether that be MetaMask, and I use MetaMask, I have a tutorial about MetaMask, check that out if you don't know how to use it. But I have Ethereum on my MetaMask and I have Shiba Inu on my MetaMask so that I can take my coins and put it into Shiba Swap system. So I already have the gas fees covered on here, boom. So now you can see right here in the top right, it is pending. But right now you can already see that I have 650 million coins buried total, and this is the amount that I have left. It will look the same thing for you, just depending on how much that you have done. However, from the beginning, I didn't just, and it actually just, you guys can't see it here, but right at the top it said that it was transferred, I think. So I think it's confirmed, or it's about to be confirmed. However, you guys will have a different amount here, and I didn't from the start just click 75. I wanted to play around with the numbers and stuff like that. Entered the dog yard. Awesome. So now guys, you can see that it was confirmed. It's sent over to the wallet that is holding all the coins that have been staked. And yeah, now we're looking good. It's all done. So now you can also see on this screen it is updated. I have 233 million coins left, and I have total buried 756 million coins. So it's looking absolutely amazing, guys. And this is what we have left. So if we take a look here and refresh the page, from off rip, if you guys did want to follow what I've done, I'm not telling you to, but if you guys wanted to follow what I've done with my coins, you could simply go over here, press 75%, and it would automatically stake 75% of your coins. And if that's something that you guys would want to do, you can do that. But you can also do that with all the rest of the different options that you have. If you want to stake all your coins, 100%, 75%, 50%, 25%, so on and so forth. So that is what I have currently, and this is how I've staked. And if you guys didn't know how to stake, hopefully that made it a little more clear for you guys. If you guys want any type of one-on-one tutorials or one-on-one conversations, kind of like consulting, or if you just want to pick my brain, I do have a lot of knowledge when it comes to real estate and just all types of finance, credit, taxes, I'm not an advisor for any of these things. However, I do have quite a bit of knowledge about those things, so I can put that onto you guys, no problem, and help you guys out with any questions that you may have. If you guys would like to have a one-on-one session with me about investing in the stock market, cryptocurrency, or any other things that I just talked about, go down in the Patreon link in the description, and for the first 50 members, you will get a discount on my Patreon subscription. So check that out. It's running out of space, so go ahead and check that out down below, and you will get a one-on-one session with me guaranteed, no matter which thing you sign up with. So check that out in the description below. And now we're pretty much done with the computer. There's really nothing else that I want to show you guys over there, but however, I do want to talk about taking profits and also why I decided to leave 25% of my coins out from staking rather than just staking 100% of them. I know for a lot of you, especially the ones that are new to the cryptocurrency space, you guys are also very, very, very key on having liquidity and wanting to take profit as it goes up, which is completely fine. And that video is actually going to be put out tomorrow, or one of my next videos for sure, because I want to split this up so it's not too much for you guys to comprehend. I want it to be very straightforward and to the point on one specific topic, and that today was what am I doing with 1 billion coins. In the next video, we can start talking about taking profit in different price targets that I have. So when we want to talk about taking profit and having liquidity, we will talk about liquidity right now. I won't make you guys wait till the next video, but having liquidity and keeping 25% of my coins available for me to take profit or to do whatever with, that is the main thing that I'm holding out on. So if you guys are trying to take profit, or that's something that you want to plan for, you can go ahead and do that, but that doesn't mean that you shouldn't take part in Shiba Swap at all. In a lot of my one-on-one sessions, we talk about things like that, and people come in talking about like, I don't even know if I should stake any, should I stake any at all, how much is enough, blah, blah, blah. And then they leave the conversation with a clear plan of exactly how they want to do things based off the things that we talked about. So like I said, if that's something that you'd be interested in, check out the Patreon link in the description, and we can have a one-on-one session to help you get a better plan on whatever it is that you want to have a plan for. But in those sessions, we are talking about, okay, if I stake this much and I keep this much out, my potential profit for the coins that I have liquid just sitting on the sidelines, what will that be able to do for me later? Because that's all that investing is about, guys. Investing is about making your money make money, and taking the money that you've made from your money and making more money and more money and more money. So if your $50 turns into $100, what are you going to do with that $100 to make you $1,000? And what are you going to do with that $1,000 to make you $10,000? So it's just like, how do you keep moving forward? And like I said, man, all that stuff is covered and we can talk about anything. So if you guys want to do that, check that out. But yeah, that's all the plugging that I'll be doing for my Patreon. However, guys, it is really important to have liquidity, in my opinion, because yes, I am in this for the long haul, but at the same time, you do need to protect yourself. And I think that it would be silly for you to be growing your accounts from thousands of dollars to tens of thousands of dollars or hundreds of thousands of dollars and not taking any types of profits out. Because you can see, if you guys have seen the Dogecoin millionaire guy, he was up to 2 million, 3 million or something like that. And as you know, Dogecoin has come down quite a bit. So not to say that he still doesn't have a lot of money, but however, if he would have taken out some profits at the top, he would have been able to keep more of that 2, 3, 4 million that he made, instead of it all going down right now. And he's basically at a third or a fourth of what he was originally at its peak. So anyhow, make sure that you guys understand and have a plan on what you guys want to do with your coins. It's hard to plan for profit and know when you want to start taking out profits and taking out money from your investment when you don't know what you're going to do with that money in the first place. That's what I've been telling all my people in my one-on-ones, is basically, guys, you got to have a plan. You can't just go out there and just say, oh, I'm going to take profits here, and I'm just going to, what are you going to do with that money? Because lazy money and scared money don't make money. I've heard that my whole life. So if you have money sitting in a bank account or just sitting on the sidelines, not doing anything, that's scared money, and it's not making you any money. And at the end of the day, guys, if you guys are trying to have generational wealth or just overall more success and financial stability, you need to have your money making money for you. This is what got me into investing in the first place, is I realized that with our savings, the banks are taking money and literally investing it in foreign exchange, stock market, real estate, cryptocurrency, whatever. They are literally taking our money and doing those things. So rather than letting the bank use your money and pay you 0.00 or 0.03% a year, why not you learn how to do it and actually take advantage of the full percentages that they're getting? Because trust me, they're making a lot more than 0.03%. Even something like a 401k where you make 7% a year, they're making a lot more than 7%, guys, a lot more. So just know that and start taking control of your finances. I'm also going to be dropping a course probably by the end of this week that goes from literally from the beginning of your from the beginning, whether you have no experience at all investing, you will learn how to set up a brokerage account, how to do fundamental analysis and break down whether companies are good things to invest in or not. You will also learn how to do analytics and look at the charts and do analysis that way. You will also understand how to profit from your trades. You will also understand the psychology behind trading and investing. You will literally learn everything that you need to know from start to finish when it comes to investing. So if you guys are excited for that, let me know down in the comments below. And I appreciate all you guys for watching. It means the world. Thanks for all the support. Like I said, if you guys have not subscribed already, please smash that subscribe button and turn on post notifications so you never miss an upload from me. And I will catch you guys in the next video. Don't forget to invest every second of every day with a purpose. Peace.